Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario RPG. First, ensure you have access to the game on your Nintendo Switch. You can purchase it directly from the Nintendo eShop or find it in your game library if you already own it. Unlike some classic titles, the Super Mario RPG remake does not require a Nintendo Switch Online membership to play, so you can jump right into the adventure. Once the game loads, you'll see the main menu. Choose New Game to start your grand adventure in the Mushroom Kingdom. You'll control Mario, moving him with the left joystick. To interact with the world, like talking to toads or opening treasure chests, simply press the A button. Pay attention to on-screen prompts for additional actions as you progress through the early areas. Combat in Super Mario RPG is turn-based, but with an exciting twist: timed action commands. Press the A button with good timing during attacks or defense to deal more damage or reduce incoming damage. Explore every corner of the vibrant world. Many hidden treasures and secrets await discovery. Each party member, like Mallow and Geno, brings unique special moves that are crucial for both battles and solving environmental puzzles. Saving your progress is important. Look for floating blocks with a glowing S and a star. Jump on them to manually save your game. The game also has an auto-save feature that triggers when you enter new areas or rest at inns, so you won't lose much progress. Experiment with different party combinations and equipment to find strategies that work best for you. And speaking of staying refreshed, check out the Owala water bottle and other great deals linked in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.